Did you know that understanding your strata bylaws can help prevent conflicts and create a better living environment for everyone? Hey everyone, I'm Tahlia from StrataGuide, and I'm here to share practical tips to help you feel more confident about strata living. Strata bylaws are important guidelines that help create a safe, respectful, and enjoyable community. They set clear expectations around things like noise levels, parking, pets, renovations, and the use of shared spaces. By understanding and following these rules, residents can avoid misunderstandings, respect their neighbors, and contribute to a more harmonious strata environment. Before you go, follow StrataGuide for more helpful strata tips, insights, and updates to make living in a strata community easier. That's all for today's Let's Talk Strata episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.